Welcome back. In
Welcome.
this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI speaker not working. If you can't hear other people during calls, Krisp AI isn't sending audio to your speakers or headphones, or your output device isn't working properly, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple solutions to get your audio working again. Let's get started. First, make sure your speakers or headphones are properly connected to your computer. If you're using USB or Bluetooth audio devices, reconnect them and confirm they're powered on and working correctly. You can also test them by playing a video or music outside of Krisp AI. Next, open Krisp AI and check the *** speaker *** settings. Make sure the correct output device is selected. If you have multiple speakers, headphones, or monitors with built-in audio connected, Krisp may be sending sound to the wrong device. Now open your communication app, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or Discord, and verify that Krisp speaker * or your preferred output device is selected in the audio settings. If another speaker is selected, you may not hear any sound during your meetings. If there's still no audio, check your computer's volume settings. Make sure the system volume isn't muted and that the correct playback device is set as the default output device. Also, increase the volume in both Windows or Mac OS and inside your communication app. Another helpful step is to restart Krisp AI, your meeting application, and your computer. Temporary software glitches can often be resolved with a simple restart. You should also update Krisp AI, your operating system, and your audio drivers to the latest versions. Software updates often include fixes for audio compatibility and performance issues. If the problem continues, uninstall Krisp AI and reinstall the latest version. A fresh installation can replace damaged files and restore the application's default audio configuration. And that's how to fix Krisp AI speaker not working. Thanks for watching this full